फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर हम कुछ इनक्वलिटी और ग्रेटर देन लेस देन, जैसे ग्रेटर क्या होता है, लेस देन क्या होता है, लेस देन कुछ हद तक इनक्वलिटी इसके बारे में हम लोग थोड़ा स्टडी करेंगे. सो हियर विल स्टडी अबाउट द ग्रेटर देन लेस देन इनक्वलिटी. So student said that if this is 5, so 5 is greater than 3, 5 is also greater than 2, so 5 is also greater than 1. Similarly we'll say that 5 is also greater than 0. So this is the this is the head part. This is the head part. Yeah, this is the head, and this is the tail part. So head is towards the 3, and here head is towards the 2, and head is towards 1. So this is the tail, and this is 5 is greater than 3, so tail is towards the 5 and head is towards the 3. Here tail is towards the 5 and head is 2. So in this way, this 5 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 2, and 1 and 0. You can also take the value that 5 is also greater than -1, 5 is also greater than -2, 5 is also greater than -4, -5, -6, and so on. But I am not going to elaborate that, because that is the part of the real numbers, and I'm not going to elaborate you for real numbers, because that topics will be long. So I am restricting myself to up to here. Very simple. So now this is the greater than. So this is the less than. Now we'll talk about the less than. So 5 is greater than, you will say that here you will write 5 is greater than 3. Similarly here you will write 5 is greater than 2, and similarly you will write here 5 is greater than 1, and similarly you will write here 5 is greater than 0. So 5 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 2, and 5 is greater than 1, 5 is greater than 0. So what about this 3? What you will say? So in the other word, remember this, in the other word you will write that 3 is, so in the other word you will write that 3 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5, 1 is less than 2, sorry, 1 is less than 5, this is 5, and 0 is less than 5, 0 is less than 5. So you are seeing that like this, and this is like this. So this is the way of the representation. Either you can say like this, or you can say like this. That is the same meaning. So I am going to the next page. So suppose that I have chosen earlier that 5, and this was, suppose that I have taken just 3. 5 is greater than 3. So you can read either 5 is greater than 3 or 5 is less than 3. Sorry, 5 is greater than 3 or 3 is, here you will 3 is less than 5. So 5 is greater than 3 or 3 is less than 5. So in this way, either you can share this or this, both is the right. Similarly, you can also either 5 is greater than 2. So you will say that 5 is greater than 2 or 2 is less than 5. So that is the same things. So this was the something greater and less than. In the next tutorial, you will study about the inequality.